Hello there again, it's Gavin once again with the last DVD of the day. I'm going to show you this one. It's called Tractor Waver Hens and Nova Stories. Sorry guys, I just really can't say the words properly, it's quite hard. So this is the back of the cover. It's got anyone for tennis, haywire hens, the big hole, Tom's busy day, and sorry guys, and a surprise for free. Spine disc. I'm gonna say bye bye guys, because that was only a short video of Tractor Tom.